The AirPods 4 showcase a refined design with updated curves and angles, as well as a shorter stem compared to previous models. This new design not only enhances the visual appeal, but also improves the overall fit and comfort for most users. Additionally, the AirPods 4 now boast an impressive IP54 dust and water resistance rating, ensuring enhanced durability and protection against the elements. Apple has incorporated several features to improve usability, such as in-ear detection and multiple microphones for better voice pickup during calls. However, it's important to note that some users may still encounter fit issues, as the AirPods 4 maintain a one-size-fits-all approach without interchangeable ear tips. The AirPods 4 come in two distinct models: the base version, priced at $129, and the noise-canceling version, which costs $179. This price difference reflects the additional features and capabilities offered by the noise-canceling model, catering to users who prioritize a more immersive audio experience and enhanced noise reduction. The charging case for the AirPods 4 has undergone several improvements. It now features a more compact design and includes a USB Type-C port for faster and more convenient charging. The noise-canceling version of the AirPods 4 also comes with a speaker built into the case, allowing charging chimes and lost device sounds for added convenience. While the noise cancellation in the AirPods 4 may not be as robust as that of the AirPods Pro, it still provides an effective reduction of ambient noise. The transparency mode, on the other hand, is highly effective, allowing users to stay aware of their surroundings when needed. Battery life is another key aspect of performance, with the AirPods 4 offering 4 hours of playback with ANC enabled and a total of 20 hours when used with the charging case. Additionally, the AirPods 4 support ultra-low latency for seamless integration with Apple's Vision Pro and precision finding with speaker assistance, enhancing the overall user experience. The AirPods 4 delivers solid audio performance across various types of media, including phone calls, podcasts, movies, and music. While they may lack advanced features like EQ customization, the overall sound quality is satisfactory for most users. The earbuds handle different audio content decently, providing a well-rounded listening experience. When compared to the AirPods Pro, the AirPods 4 falls slightly short in terms of fit and noise cancellation. The AirPods Pro's silicone tips provide a more secure and customizable fit, as well as superior noise cancellation due to the improved seal. However, the AirPods Pro come at a slightly higher price point, making them a better choice for users who prioritize these features and are willing to invest more. It's worth mentioning that the AirPods 4 feature the H2 chip, which brings enhancements to noise reduction, transparency mode, adaptive audio, and head gestures for Siri. These improvements contribute to a more seamless and intuitive user experience. In addition to the AirPods 4 release, Apple has also refreshed the AirPods Max, albeit with minor changes, limited to the inclusion of a USB Type-C port and new color options. The Apple AirPods 4 offer a solid choice for users seeking a balance between performance, features, and price. While they may not excel in every aspect compared to the AirPods Pro, they deliver a well-rounded experience with effective noise cancellation, transparency mode, and decent sound quality. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.